Hey guys, welcome to the third episode of our Carnival Celebration series. Join us for an unforgettable day at sea as we start with an energizing breakfast at the Lido Marketplace Buffet. Next, it's time to make a splash at the Patio Pool on Deck 8 at the very back of the ship. Our appetites eventually lead us to Guy's Pig and Anchor, where we indulge in a smokehouse-style lunch that will leave your taste buds begging for more. But the excitement doesn't end there. Before we head to a delicious dinner, we swing by both the Alchemy and Latitudes Bars, where tantalizing pre-dinner cocktails set the stage. Finally, we conclude our day at the Limelight Lounge with some karaoke. So come along and set sail with us on the Carnival Celebration for day 3 of our wonderful adventure. Alright, good morning guys, it's day 3. We haven't been vlogging a ton, so today we hope to remedy that and actually get vlogging. It's hard to do sometimes. You get out here and you just get in vacation mode and you don't pull out the camera enough, but today we're gonna do that. One more thing I wanted to mention, guys, look at this water, how calm it is. This is how it's been this whole cruise. It has been so nice. There is nothing. I mean, it's just like being on a lake. It's been very, very enjoyable. Just had to share because it's been nice. So today is another sea day. We don't get in until Aruba till tomorrow. We're gonna hit the buffet for breakfast this morning. Stephanie's going to the gym as she does every morning. I don't. I do at home, but not on a cruise ship. And then Alex will be joining us there. We're gonna try to get some chairs on the pool deck. It was pretty crowded yesterday. It was very crowded actually, and it was hot. So you could only grab a seat maybe right in direct sunlight, and it was too hot to stay for too long. So we're gonna try to get some pool time before it gets too hot. Did want to get up here and catch a sunrise and talk to you guys and kick off this video with some breakfast. So let's go get that. Look who I found. Yeah, now we're in the buffet, but we still have a couple minutes to wait. We have 15 more minutes.
Yeah.
And then it opens up.
That one gets some long bones.
Yeah. Okie dokie, what you got?
So I got the salmon egg benedict.
Oh, okay.
Pretty good actually. I like the ham better.
How's the yolk on it?
Oh, it was actually really runny too.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah. Then I got strawberry French toast. These super good potatoes. Raspberry Danish.
Nice. And a piece of sausage there. I got blueberry yogurt, some eggs, and a sausage and a ham. Yummy. And she got nothing. She got water. She got water. Yeah. It's not a very good selection.
No, I like it.
They do have omelets, so they do make that. So that's probably good. All right, we're on a patio. Patio? I think that's what it's called. Patio out here, just in back of Summer Landing at Guy's Pig and Anchor, just hanging out. What a view. How nice is that? We're in the shade.
Yeah.
We got these nice chairs. And yeah, spend the morning out here. It is 9:30 now, and we got visitors now. They made it up. Got breakfast number 2 going right here. Oh, first one for them.
First one for us, and me.
And you. That was Alex and I second breakfast. But yeah, just hanging out at pool deck. On deck 8 here aft.
Yeah, let's crowded right now.
It is. I think we're gonna hang out and try to catch lunch here at How to Pig and Anchor. So we'll just be sitting back here today. Oh, what you got? Look at this, guys. Look at that. So it is 12:15, and finally lunch has opened back up.
Yeah.
So you got some pulled pork, brisket, sausage, and macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
Pretty close to the embarkation day meal. You just added sausage.
No chicken.
Oh, no chicken, sausage this time. Yeah.
And I added some bar.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get over there. We'll get some footage of that. I'm gonna go grab me some now. So you got
Everything.
You got some of that?
For the chicken.
No chicken?
Oh, and sausage.
I got the chicken and nothing else, so I made up. I'm the opposite of you. And we already saw your plate. Yeah, we saw his plate already. Nothing now, yeah. So that's where he's at now. But yeah, smells delicious. We got to smell this from our room all the time, so glad to have it finally. All right, back in the room. Look at what we got.
We got a froggy.
Frog.
So cute.
He is. All right, so we are gonna get changed, get showered up, cleaned up, and
Bar hopping.
bar hopping. We're gonna go sit down and have a cocktail maybe at the Alchemy.
I want to check out the shops too.
Check out some shops. Okay. Yeah, before dinner. All right, that's the plan. Let's do it.
Get a nice little nap.
You did get a little nap out there. It was a nice day out there.
Yeah, it wasn't like super sweaty. Well, I wasn't in the sun either.
Yeah, we were shaded,
was
so
nice.
it was
It was
nice.
really
It was comfortable.
nice.
Well, we'll get cleaned up
Refreshed.
and you refreshed,
Yeah.
ready to go. You gotta make it till 9:30.
Way to party.
To 9:30.
No.
All right. We're here at the Alchemy Bar. We just got our drinks. I got a Boulevardier made with Woodford with bourbon. You can't remember what it was. Pain relief.
Pain relief.
Pain relief. Pain
Very
relief.
good. It's orangey.
Yeah. So you got to put in pain relief. Yeah. Good drinks. This one. Well made.
Yeah.
It's just one of those like slight, it's elevated, right?
Yeah.
It's good. They're very good. Recommend this one.
Yes.
We never tried it on the Mardi Gras.
No, we didn't.
It was always crowded. We never came, but I wish we would have because it's very good. Okay, so we're gonna sit down and have a couple drinks. Alex is over there too. Alex, we got a coffee. Yeah, we got that before we came this time. Yeah, we came yesterday. He was super bored, so we had to get him a frappuccino.
Right.
Keep some together. Yeah.
How are you? All good? All of you good? Yeah. Enjoying yourselves? Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay. That was nice. That was a nice man. What were we talking about? You're talking about
Drinks.
Oh, Alex was bored yesterday, so we got him the coffee.
Yeah.
I believe it was something along that line. But anyway, we're gonna sit down, have a couple cocktails. It is 2:30-ish, maybe.
2:15.
2:15. So we're gonna hang out, and then the plan is to go to dinner. We're going to the main dining room again today, and then we are going to catch some karaoke. We're gonna do some karaoke today.
Yes. Can't wait.
Yeah, give Mackenzie singing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll get her singing.
So and you, yeah. Yeah, we'll get everybody in there.
I need to do a couple shots. Get my nerves.
Yeah. But that's the plan. All right, we are over here at Latitudes now. Made the bar switch, drink switch. We got a Negroni here because they don't make the Boulevardier here. So Negroni, and you got
I can't pronounce it.
Aperol Spritz.
Aperol Spritz. It's very light and refreshing.
Yeah, we're switching to gin now. It's good. It's good.
It's got some bitter into it.
Yeah, I think the Aperol is better. Okay.
Yeah. Taste the bitter.
Oh yeah, that's better. And Alex is still bored.
I'm playing a game right now, so I'm not that bored. But
3, 2, 1. Now arriving 150 million years ago. Now arriving in the year 580.
Medieval Europe is an interesting choice for a cruise destination. These planets are different, like at all.
Now arriving in the year 2165.
Sounds like a deck party.
The gateway is now arriving in the present day.
Well, friends, that's all the time we have for today.
All right.
All right.
Dining room. Dinner time.
Dinner time.
Dinner time. We're gonna.
I guess.
Oh. So we'll put the menu because now we're high tech and I already recorded it. So
Oh, okay.
we're gonna put the menu like right here. Right here? Yeah, right there. Right there. Nice. See what you get.
Before we start with Mackenzie, so this is the time for the fun squad. Mackenzie, it's here.
Something told me when I saw you and her talking. I was just
We've got Thank you.
All right. We were back in the room. Everybody's out of breath because we did run up the stairs. So, dinner. And then karaoke. That's what we did.
Yeah.
But, okay, we'll talk about that.
Dinner was very good today.
It was very good. Yesterday, not so good. We were beating it up yesterday. Day before, super good. But it's like hit and miss in the Carnival dining room for us.
I had 2 appetizers.
I got 2, and they both were good.
Very good.
Yeah. And then we went to
Karaoke.
Kenzie ended up singing. Somebody sang her song. She had to make a last minute. She had to do an audible. Last minute audible.
Yeah.
She did a good job.
Yeah, she didn't want to follow somebody else with the same song.
Right, yeah. No, that was fun.
Did really well.
And we've made it all the way to the wee late hour of 9:15.
You know what I gotta say about that?
Everybody went to bed.
You know what I gotta say about
What do you
that?
guys say about that, Alex? Yeah, we're going to blame that on that one.
No, everybody else in our group went to bed as well.
Because they all stay up late every day.
No, they stayed up one day late. Don't even go there.
Yeah.
And we are going to Aruba in the morning, so it's going to be a long
Right.
day.
So we need 12 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Just in case. Just in case.
It's not really 12 hours.
Anyway.
Somebody wakes us up around 5:30, so.
I was up at 4.
I know, but you're loud, so.
Someone keeps you up
Somebody
all
else
night.
wakes me up. Every time I get up to use the bathroom, though, you guys are sleeping just fine.
Oh, it's
That's
not
because you
bad.
finally stopped snoring.
Yeah, that's when we fall asleep. Yeah, that's when we're asleep.
That's only the toilet flushing. It's way
I tried
quieter.
to bring my CPAP, and they wouldn't let me, so.
Anyway.
What is this turned into?
All right, so obviously our window's open. That's interfering with navigation. There's a sign over there that says, "Do not leave your window open at night."
Why?
For, I don't know.
Well, if we had a steward that actually did the beds down, we wouldn't have this.
What are you doing, Bob?
No, we're not getting into that conversation.
But really, though.
All right, let's close the window.
Remember when they used to close them for us?
Yeah, remember? Remember when cruising
In the-
had
in
twice a
the-
day
in
turn
the-
down service?
in the-
But yeah, it says it right here. It says it right here. It says, navigation safety, please keep the window curtain closed at night.
But in the old days, they used to close it for us, and we didn't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
back when we were more spoiled. Anyway, guys, obviously you can see everybody's tired and delirious. One is
No,
tired.
this one's more delirious.
Okay, at least I'm not tired.
Oh, for once, usually you're in here by 8:30. Shut your face.
Yeah, today was a good day.
It was a fun day.
It was a fun day. Excited to see Aruba, Newport
Yeah.
for us. The plans appear to be Eagle Beach because we
Yeah.
do not. All 3 islands we have no plans, none whatsoever. So
Fly like an eagle.
Fly, eagle, fly.
fly, Eagle, fly.
Should
Yes,
be your beach. Okay.
we'll see. We don't know. I mean, it could
That's
change.
the plan.
That's the plan now.
All right,
Till tomorrow, guys. Until next time.
guys. See you later.
See you next week. Bye.